Good morning, everybody. Today is another adventurous day for us because today is the day where we go snorkeling out in something bay. Basically like a little cove that's like a crest in like the mountains. So it's like on the edge of the beach, and it's like a little half circle around the beach. So that's where we're going right now. It's currently like 7 a.m. Trying to get there by 8 so we could snorkel at 8:30. So yeah, hey friends.
Hurry them.
All right, so we'll see you guys on the road. Got our, what did we just get, babe?
Snorkeling gear.
We got our snorkeling gear.
On
the back.
Park closes at 5.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna get food before we head out to the bay. No parking, so we're actually just gonna take a shuttle up there, and so we're just gonna bring our stuff. Are you excited, babe? You see the fishies. Shuttle. It's time. Now we're about to take the shuttle. Make sure you subscribe to Kim right here. She started doing her vlog, so make sure you guys watch her vlogs, you know what I'm saying? You excited? You excited? My armpit's stinky. Yeah, so it's gonna be really fun. We're gonna swim with the fishies. Unfortunately, I can't take you guys because I don't have my GoPro, but I'll post some pictures from Google Images so you can see what I see, alright? So we're here, baby. We live. We live, baby.
We live, baby. We live.
I've had like dry skin, but like, what the heck?
I feel itchy. Not going bug bite. It's itchy.
You got a bug bite? It's pretty big. But, you excited?
Yeah, I want to get in water.
Alright, so we just watched the video, and now we're gonna go down to the bay. Really deep. Are you excited to feel the water? Huh? Alright guys, so we're down here now. We're about to go swimming. Let's see the fishies. Excited? Fishies. We're gonna see turtles, so we'll be back. Alright guys, we are back. We are now gonna go to Starbucks. We're gonna go to Starbucks, get something to drink, and then we are gonna go to, where are we going, babe?
I was in a change. God.
Where are we going?
Sea life.
Sea Life, which is basically an aquarium, so. Actually, we didn't get Starbucks. We got coconuts. It is, what is it? Like shaved ice, as well as like slushy drinks. It's pretty good. Try it out. Obama goes there, so. Now we're going here. It is Sea Life Park in Hawaii. Right there. I've been here before.
Thursday.
Sharkies. Fish are friends, not food.
I saw one of those. Did you see one of those in the girls in here? Maui and Tiana, they are in their 20s. That is actually the last time Sea Life Park kept any of the hatchlings that we've had. So every year we get anywhere from 200 to 800 hatchlings a year.
Best time. You don't want anything to do with me. Bear Grylls. We're about to go into the wild of the buds and the bay. Someone come to me. Come to me. Round two. Round two. Somebody gotta take my food. Someone. Oh my god. Holy. Babe, this is scary. Hey buddy, oh my god, fly away. Hold it. That's a cute one, that's a beautiful one. Come on. You want this or you want this? I got that on video.
I didn't see it coming. Oh my god. It freaked me out.
So I got this on my head. I don't know who wants to take some.
My food's done.
I don't know who wants to take it. We gotta have it. Some bird gotta have it on my head, bro. Is it on my head still?
Yeah.
Someone. No one? Anybody eyeing?
Ow, ow.
Oh my, Sean. Kim. Oh my god. No, I'm just here chilling with my bird Consuela, you know what I'm saying? Like, we're just friends now, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, so I'm just gonna be walking around with my bird Consuela on my head, you know what I'm saying? Oh, it's my bird. This is, Conquist, bruh. It's Conquist. Consuela and Conquist.
There they are! Good afternoon, girls, and welcome to school.
Hi guys, I'm very juiced right now. I'm just getting my Legion Y520 from Lenovo. It's a gaming laptop, but I'm using it for gaming / video editing and all my stuff. So I'm upgrading my laptop. It's gonna be a lot better, a lot faster, and better content. Check it. So right here, got my laptop. You know, Hawaii. The land with the chilling cats. I got my laptop right here, the Lenovo Y520. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing for you guys right when I get inside. And yeah, it's gonna be really cool because I can finally have an editing / gaming laptop that I can play games as well as edit really hardcore. So yeah, I'm excited. Alright guys, so we're back. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of Legion Y520 by Lenovo. Its retail is $999. I got it from Costco. It's a lot better to buy from Costco because it's actually upgraded. This is the specs right here. So it has a Intel i7 7700 HQ at 2.8 gigahertz, 16 gigabytes RAM, 2 terabyte hard disk drive, 256 solid state drive, and then yeah, this is a 15-inch. It's a lot better to buy it from Costco if you have a Costco membership because the one that's not from Costco is a lot more expensive. Oh, it also has the graphics card is GTX 1050 Ti. It's a lot better to buy from Costco because the one at like Best Buy and stuff and Amazon, they only have the like 8 gigabyte version, or the hard disk drive is only 1 terabyte. The SSD is only like 126. So it's better to buy from Costco. It's more upgraded. It's a lot cheaper. Like the lower spec ones from like Amazon is more expensive and has less specs, so you might as well get that Costco membership and just buy from there because it's gonna save you a bunch of money. So we're gonna open it. Oh baby. Alright, so that right there. This. Oh man. Laptop. Yeah, this is a pretty compact laptop. It only weighs like 5 pounds. There it is. Lenovo Y520. It's pretty thin. It's not too big, but it still packs a punch. Sorry, it's not that good lighting. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It has that gamer, that gamer red accents right there. But I'm juiced. I am juiced. But yeah, so this is the laptop. It's clean. So yeah, right now I'm gonna edit the video with this laptop. I'm gonna say peace out. Tomorrow, where are we going tomorrow?
The Luau.
Oh, Polynesian Center as well as the Luau tomorrow, so be on the lookout for that. So until next time, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.